One of the things we've come to appreciate is that paradigm shifts require not only learning, but in fact, it's more of an unlearning process. If you think back to a point in humanity where civilization believed that the Earth was the center of the solar system and everything revolved around the Earth, including the sun. Later, we realized it was actually quite the opposite. The sun is the center of the solar system, and the Earth and other planets revolve around it, which is strange if that's not the model that you grew up with. It takes a little while to recalibrate the brain with this new understanding. Similarly, in an old model in IT and enterprise software, the traditional approach has been such that every application manages its own data, and you do integration. Every app is a data platform. But in the new model of Dataware, that's no longer the case. There's a shared and federated and distributed data platform that is used across all applications, just like the power grid is able to manage power for all homes on your street, as an example. The concept really is that you want to stop integrating and start liberating. You want to liberate data from your SaaS and vendor applications. You want to liberate data from your internal applications, and you want to liberate data from spreadsheets. Today, the data is trapped and siloed within each individual application. From a SaaS and vendor app perspective, imagine eliminating paywalls and avoiding lock-in, making it easier to rip and replace. Apps still exist, they add value, they have to earn their keep, but they no longer hold data hostage. You can implement standardized controls across applications, automate backups, recoveries, have level of precision on control, and continue to leverage these SaaS apps. And when there's a new app for that, it would be great to be able to take advantage of that without the data being trapped or siloed and giving self-serve access to that. Separately, when you're building custom applications, the ability to avoid standing up data stores for individual applications, and for spreadsheets, allowing business teams to continue to build with the simplicity of spreadsheets, but without all the operational risk that gets typically associated with that. Ensure that all the proper controls are in place, data privacy is being respected and protected, but without compromising on that agility. That's the benefit of liberating spreadsheets. So the key is not to try and liberate all data simultaneously. It's to essentially reframe every future integration into a liberation. Don't connect your HR system to your CRM. Liberate data from your HR system, then separately liberate data from your CRM. Enable the interconnectedness without the need to integrate the systems to each other. And that's really what Dataware comes in, to allow you to achieve the liberation of your data gradually as you deliver future projects. And liberated data is frictionless. It's easy to connect without integration. It's easy to control, define policies once and know that they're universally enforced. And finally, it now makes it possible to collaborate on that data across people, across teams, across organizations, across applications. Collaborate over integrate, and it starts by liberating your data.